Let me just for a quick info, because I feel it can be shared, right? Perhaps we can give it for with the team members as well. As always,
Is it
right?
okay? Recording. Okay.
Why?
For the future reference. In
Yes,
case your
exactly.
absence, if we need
Anybody,
to
for
do
not just only for
without
my
that.
absence. Later also somebody wants to repeat it, go through that further, right? As
Yeah,
of now, I have told you that next gen, right?
Nothing will stop for anyone.
Yes. Even for anybody for that matter, what was discussed earlier, this recorded session will help, right?
Yeah.
I don't need to repeat the same story again and again, right? So it's better to capture it once and properly.
Yeah.
So the next gen, whatever I was running till date, right? SBA. You know that I told you the name, shared intro, right? What is the URL we made? This is, if you look at it, home, SBI, right? Obviously, you say login, I gave you options. These are all admin people, right? Kumar, Raj, Jenny, Kushbu, Kumar, anybody if you log in. I'm trying to log in with your name. I'm sure it will hit. Let me guess why. Okay, let me show you with Janani's ID or even Kumar's ID. It logs in. You see a difference, admin. Just for now, I'm saying because we are admin, I'm making a highlighting, right? If I log out, I made Meera. She is Kumar's wife. Just for the sake of testing, I took her as a non-admin. Some random thoughts, right? No special, nothing special affinity about any person, right? Any individual person. I thought, all of us are being active admin team. Even any one of us, I could have used it. Somehow I was actually testing. So I made her as non-admin. You see here, simply only member home, right? There is no admin within brackets, right? So what basically these are all the features, right? Search, as this long back I made it. You can change anything, right? Say 417 is for Kumar, right? And any ID pattern that matches. Of course, yes, this is something I've already made a note as what the comment given by Kushbu, right? In the feedback session, if you look at it, she has given this. This already I made a note. It's a very good comment she has given. Found whole very neat and seamless. Kudos to all the efforts, Raghavan. Also, login functionality is very comfortable. But this is only for testing, she has mentioned. Because she knew it. From here only, this is my own original idea, right? It's 100% my own idea where I have I copied this, right? This is where I've copied it from Emerald Butterfly, the other application that we were working on. That's where I got to meet Kushbu, right? This short, quick login. I call it as a quick login, right?
Yeah, I could see the Emerald Butterfly DB in MySQL.
Yes, because I have hosted it.
That?
You see here. Here, this is again the same thing. I have not enabled it here, right? We have. I don't know what is that. I had it.
What? Oh, it is also shade.
No, like it's shade, like we work for to separate third party entity. A person named Janvi. So we were working for her. Right? As a volunteering group in WhatsApp, she's doing some parenting stuff. She's doing some parenting materials and all that. She wanted to create a website for which, that's when I got to know Kushbu and along with a couple of her friends. Like last year, February, April times, March times, we were doing that. Just a minute. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So this is when, we all happen to meet each other virtually, though we have not met each other in person, right? I think we also have not met each other, right, Sabrish? Still we are virtual. Yeah. I do have so many friends. Generally, it was one of my crazy habits in the older years as well. Whenever I was working in Bangalore, I used to visit Chennai once in a while, maybe very frequently, once in a month or two, where I had a habit of meeting at least 1 or 2 new friends whom I have never met. Somehow I had this. Even today, so many people, I have friends, but I have not met each other. We have not met each other, but years together, we are continuing our friendship. That somehow I have this particular peculiar thing, right? You are one good example. How long it's been? Maybe 3 years.
3 years.
We know each other, right? Since EMDT days, right? Kushbu, I know it for last 1 year, since last year. So her friends Sakshi and Priyanka, you would see here, right? When I say they here, you would see
Okay.
admin users, right? Priyanka, Sakshi, she is the one. Janvi,
Okay.
she's the one who was like a business, right? She gave us the requirement and all that. So this is something more or less similarly I've taken that. That's what actually she was saying. I think I should have it because the same concept what I had it for our shade, I took it. Emerald butterfly. I don't know whether I have it locally. Did I remove it? I don't know the host. Do I have it or not? No, I think I have removed it. Earlier I had it. I have not hosted it here locally, which is fine. That's why it's not available in local host. The same thing what we had it for NextGen, earlier NextGen, right? Now I have added the same login screen. So the similar one I have copied for there as well. So she liked it. Because I remember that, right? I copied it from my own concept, Shade. What I did it for Shade because I added for myself and Janani. Because the username and the email address is a long password, long text. We need to type it. So in order to make our life easy, I make a shortcut of it. That's what she mentioned is as, logging is very easy. Login function itself is very comfortable for testing because it is itself populating the credentials. But it's only for dev, not for production. Obviously, we cannot leave this empty, right? It is in production as of now, but for time being, limited time being, because we are actively testing. Obviously, right, I'm going to remove it. I just wanted this flavor to be available for you guys to get used to that, right? So I'm going to immediately remove it because it's still a public URL, right? Anybody can get access to. It's certainly not better approach. It's a risky one, right? So this is something I don't want to take much time here. This is what it is. We have done till this, and then probably we were dispersed. So I used to take lessons as well, right? Kushbu and Priyanka, Sakshi, I used to teach them. Definitely doing this along, including PHP, Git. But those days I didn't record it. I missed it. Though we met in Zoom and Google Meet, etc., I forgot to capture that. If I had recorded it, it would have been another interesting session for us to recoup whatever we have discussed, right? So this is the profile create where Kushbu, these all people have contributed, right? Kushbu, Priyanka, Sakshi, and this is something a code will be changing every now and then. Edit profile, you could do deactivate profile, right? Admin users, overall admin users, all users. You see a couple of other people, dumb, etc., etc., some other users. This is what we made, and changes made. I think I made as usual. Oh my God, what happened? I think this is broken because of the MD text. This should be like this. Yeah, I don't know why. See, these are all the changes you remember during those days I was working on. What I would say in our, I don't know why the colors are, why it is, because black enabled, black mode, black thing, I don't know why. So these are the things I was working on my own. The last I made the change, right? 3rd August, 4th August, 5th August, and to be done later as well. I made so many things. As always, my own notes, whatever I've been working on, right? This is our own EBS, as I told you with Scrum. We had a Jira, so we use this effectively for logging our defects and all that. So this was something we did it, right? And then we stopped. Somehow Janvi felt it is not probably shaping it up. We had to drop it. We have dropped it. That's what it was, right? So that is it. That is fine. So I'm gonna close it here. Emerald butterfly. It's a off-baked story, but that's when I got to meet Kushbu. Right? We became definitely good friends of each other, and she also liked my style of working and teaching stuff, etc. She also liked the way we do with the shade, and that's why she's a partner, one of our partners, right? She expressed her interest to be a Scrum Master for our Jira admin and all that, and obviously she was working on the DB side of it. I forgot to mention that, right? She was actually working on for the DB portion, whatever Emerald Butterfly we are working on. She used to create. I created the base scripts, but she was helping me with the database side of it, right? Eventually, I used to run it through, and with Bitbucket, we were working as a team. I was teaching them Agile, Git, CI/CD, etc., those notes, right? Fair enough. So come back to this. So this feedback, obviously, as I said, right? I think it's not taking comma as it is. I need to check that. And crucial data like phone numbers in the current shade itself, I have masked it actually. So I've taken that. I think I walked you through this search page, PHP, right? Current production site. I've already masked it. So let's say Sabarish. This is all masked, sensitive data, because it's a public URL, right? One of my friends suggested I masked all of them, public. So no phone numbers, no email address would be visible as on date. Nobody could crack it, right? That again, I'll see one tricky thing. I don't think it's even generated over here, isn't it? Transaction entry, email ID, phone number, Sabarish, here also. Even the source code you can't look at it. It's masked, sensitive data. It's not like, I'll tell you, with PHP, we can mask it at two levels. One is only at the client side, but the server side data will be generated and rendered. But still it's a security breach. You can look at it at a view source, right? I've masked it. Similarly, I do capture it here. Whatever she said, right? Other thing also she mentioned, responsive, did she mention that? Responsive, you were talking, not she mentioned. As I said, here we do have right, SBI. Here it is, responsive web design. I've already captured it. And masking. See here, I've already captured it. Mask the sensitive data, email, phone, on all the public and open screens. So if you take a detailed look, I need to add it. I can capture it. My goodness, what is it keyboard? This is something like need to know basis. Have you heard of the term?
Which one?
Need to know. Generally, we follow the security practices.
Need
Do I
to
have a
know.
need to know? Assume I'm a standard user. Why should I take a look at other members' details, right?
Okay.
Other members and public, right? Next, beneficiary details. Right? If at all there is a need for them to contact directly, right? So we could take this matrix as any, you can work label, right? So this is where we categorize it. And that is good. It's a good feedback she has given. Currently it is open, otherwise now nice experience exploring it overall, right? Thank you, Kushbu. That is so nice, right? I think she has actually explored it, right? That's a clear indication that she has explored the search page, login page, right? And update profile and all that. Okay, let me take you back here. Go to member home. See, this about us has got a general text. We can fill in more like a landing page, right? Or what do we do? So we could make it better. I just put as a templated text. And where is member home? Oh, it's logged off. Interesting. How come? I was looking at it here. Even here, let's assume Meera. I log in with Meera, Kumar's wife. So member home profile. This is an interesting piece, which Janani also liked last time. Somehow I had my own design thinking, right? I don't know whether I'm not a very great designer. This is a single table, Sabrish, if you look at it. All these columns pertain to, if you look at table member, shared ID, name, primary email ID, alternate email ID, contact numbers, administrative info. All these are attributes of the member table, right? It's one single table.
Okay.
But while representing, we don't need to make all of them at one long vertical form where user may lose interest while they keep traveling, right? So I thought I'll split it up in a horizontal direction where split it into multiple buckets where personal info will capture only these personal ID, the first important personal details, right? The shared ID and this name, primary email ID, alternate email ID, primary contact number, alternate contact number. If at all, the maximum 2 is sufficient. We don't need to capture more than 2. Administrative info purely talks about administrative details like date of joining. He or she is an active member, is a contributor, is she a volunteer, is he or she a volunteer, and has he or been added to the Google groups, right? This is a flag. And remarks, just wanted to identify who is who. Just a quick, and needless to say, right, you bet most people have got my personal connection, right? I would have known 90% I can say. Probably 10% still, maybe you bring your friend, something like your friend who is at Hari Prasad. He has not yet been added as a member yet, right? I don't think we have done that, right? We can take a quick look on the transaction particulars. This is, I think I've loaded it, not it. Let's look at in production because it is in production, right? I can even look at it search here without logging in as well. Here you go, Hari Prasad P. See here. I'm able to pull out this transaction, Hari Prasad P. Why the user ID is empty? I added it that the same day. When did it added? Date of transaction 26.
Because you are not yet logged in, right? So
but it's a search, right? Obviously, we can restrict it. We can restrict it. Thank you. Obviously, we can restrict it. Of course, we're gonna take a look at it. We'll revisit it, right? Because this is primarily, that's a good point. This is, you can give this as your suggestion, Sabarish, right? I'll tell you, maybe once we all be together, I'll walk you through. This Jira, we should actively use it. Sure. Maybe you can log in here and add, saying that, this comment, like you can give it as a feedback there as well. But for us to, what should happen? From this feedback, any of us need to take it inside, right? We need to bring it back into Jira for us to effectively start working on, right? So this I've added. Why the user ID is null? You have not contributed. My bad. That's fine. Kushbu, if you see she has contributed, why we have user ID populated? What does it indicate?
It is for user ID for the particular member. So for Hari Prasad, we are not to create the user.
Very good. We are yet to add him as a member. Very good. That's the difference, right? So this is all dynamically populated, right? Target account where we do all that, right? Still, this is also need to, this I did it in the year 2015, Sabarish. If you look at it, right? When did my feedback module added? 2015, right? I was in State Bank of India. I was in Bombay working for State Bank of India. I remember that. That is when Chennai met a very huge flood during this November time, right? 2015. So I made this initial version. Transaction history was Ajaxified. These are all things I was working on those days, right? Consistently I was working. Now I told you, right? This week I've been actively making changes, right? You could see here. 2021, 04, 25, 28, 29, right? Likewise, these days you could see 2015, 11, 14, 16, 23, 24. Consistently I was working on. And then there was a gap, 2 years, 1 year. 2016, I made 2 changes, and 2018, maybe I missed the flow. Perhaps, joining a new company, new project, or something like that, that carried away, right? Got me carried away. Otherwise, I would have completed this long back. And I was about to come back here. This is the main reason, right? We should have productionized this a long back, right?
Okay.
This we all know, right?
Yeah.
We all have been used to this till last 2 days before, right? Now I have archived this, right?
Okay.
So only this we need to use it. This is not valid at all. No longer valid, right? So we have why this is SBI shared BAU improved. Nothing to do with the State Bank of India. Somehow, I have this interest, right? Coining the terms or abbreviations. Maybe I have some interest on that. The real next gen, right? I call this as version 1.2 earlier. Now this will be only SBI, right? Next gen version 2.0. That's what it has been mentioned in our documents. Actual next gen with PHP, Angular, possibly MongoDB or MySQL itself, right? Whatever. Latest tech stack we can do. That's what is going to be a next gen. I don't want to confuse it, right? Next gen version 1, next gen version 2. Next gen is a next gen, right? And the reason being, this is again not a real good next gen. More or less same thing. We are doing it in a better way. That's all. Same technology, tech stack. This is the same old tech stack, right? That's it. No big deal. Maybe the bootstrap for the RWD, responsive web design, could be a new flavor, right? But again, not a game changer. We would like to call it as, right? It's not a game changer.
Yep.
To call it as a next gen, right? But this will be a game changer. The way we're going to write the application will be pretty different when compared to the old tech stack, right? Okay. So this is when Janani used to give a good comments. I told you, right? I told you. So she used to test it immediately. 23rd, I made the comment, and 25th she tested. I'm excited to use a search page. I really like it because she did like that. Maybe my own idea what I brought in as I was walking you through here in the search page, right? Quickly, I also give an initial value. What should it look like when you click on an icon, a link? It should populate some value, trigger and demonstrate quickly, rather than waiting for you to give you, let you take a chance, right? The pattern, name, any name you could search for, any email ID. Now we can easily look at it, right? Let's say, for example, Cognizant. How many people are there in Cognizant, right? I'm not sure how many email IDs are still valid. I'm sure many people would have left the company, as I already told, and they would have forgotten to update me back, right? But as what it is registered in our database, we have this, right? How many are with the Gmail? Quite a few, right? Oh my God. This is something interesting factors, right? You could take it. If you look at it, Meera is only one person. Sabarish is one person. Kumar, so many Kumars. It's a very common name, right? Likewise. So we can take a quick statistics. Okay. Raghavan also, there are 3. Why Raghavan? Oh, my own children. They are members. Kartika Karpagam Raghavan, Kartik Muthu Raghavan. So that's why the name, where it is speaking. Oh, I'm looking from email, man, not the name. Email, they have got Raghavan. I have got an email created for them. Raghavan Muthu, Raghavan Gmail. Kartika Karpagam and Kartik Muthu. Right? They would have also contributed. I have never thought of logging in with their IDs. Give me a minute. I'm now really interested. Let me log in. SG0002. Wonderful. Kartika Karpagam R. What is the profile name I made? All my own details. What else? Contributors. Okay. Transaction details. I think only to shade I've been contributing. It's me. Only for shade they are contributing. It's good. Right? Okay. So this is other interesting features. Transaction particulars. Anything that you want to look at it. Let's say this is a particular transaction, right? Any part that you want to take a look. Search is common. I made it generic as a framework, right? So that way we could do that. And appeals, any appeal that you want to take a look. Let's say 157. All the appeals. 156. Ajit Neurosurgery, how much you have been contributing, like that, right? And volunteers, how many people are volunteers? Look at it, this is a fact. So many volunteers we had. I can knock off almost everybody, right? This is an important person. She is a very another important person, Geeta Armugam. She was my good friend. She is my good friend still, whom I met in Bangalore. Somehow through mail trails, we got to know each other. And she was instrumental. Like I was working with her when I started Shade in August 2008, right? During those times when we had appeals, right? When we collected the money, how many appeals we have it in hand, how do we disburse the funds? For all that, I still remember we used to meet each other in the BTM layout park. She was staying in a PG. Both of us were not married by then. She's now married and settled in France with her husband and children, right? Son.
Okay.
So she's from Tiruvannamalai, Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
But we used to meet each other regularly once a month in a park at BTM layout.
Okay.
I still remember
Okay.
that. One person in the park who was taking rest had happened to, not over here, because we were talking aloud, right? It's not a secret. Has happened to hear just like that what we are conversing. I still remember one of the days. And he came back when you were about to finish a discussion, or he was about to go back home. He came back and said that I happened to hear what you guys are talking. It's really very interesting. At this age, you are talking something for general public, right? At this age, generally people do their own merrymaking, or or even those love, all these aspects. But you guys are a real good activity you're performing at this younger age. I think we are all 25, 26, many years back those days,
Okay.
2008, almost 12 years back now, 13 years back. So he blessed, saying that you're doing a great job. I'm very happy. This is how the younger generation should be. Some sort of very good comments that he made it. So she also has a very vital role, and she was also a volunteer. And then obviously, right, Ilango was the one last call I was walking it through on the Shade transaction Excel sheet, right? He was, I think, his friend, her friend, Geeta's friend, if I'm not wrong. So he also did a wonderful job, like understanding the nature. I used to go to his home, and he came to my home as well in Bangalore. Those days when I was a bachelor, he studied, and he is the one who prepared that Excel sheet that could automatically created some formulae, right? That could automatically generate a chart. You remember we have seen that in the Shade transaction Excel sheet last week, where we had duplicates for each year. So he also played a vital role. He's in Germany now with his family. So eventually, though they are not actively participating, he's also contributing for a triple S. Generally, he does it once in a year, right? So Haridas is my TC Tari Harris colleague. So quite a few people. Sampath Kumar is the other guy with whom I spoke to last week, right? For Satyayam face bone fracture. He is that guy. My other dear brother whom I met in Tari Harris when I was working there. These are all cognizant fellows. She is our Janani, and these are all cognizants, right? Saravanan Geeta is Geeta's husband. And so many people. I think we need to add a couple of you further, and we need to make it. Why Sabrish is not listed here? Don't I have Sabrish added profile? Okay, I wanted to tell you this, right? Okay, let me tell you. Administrative info. I think you can use volunteer. You are there, but why your name was not coming in? Sabarish. Is it taking any other form? No, surprising. Okay. So let me log off and try to log in with Mira. And if you look at it, right, what a member can do basically. So this is profile. Basically, as I told you, to look at her own profile and contributions, right? Company info and administrative info, company and transaction details. What each individual has contributed for all the appeals, right? And then if you look at admin activities, this is purely I just added. Obviously, I'll remove it. This is only for administrations I can add it. Thank good that I remembered it, right? These are admin activities. Right? We don't need that to be common because it's pure of administrative efforts, and she's not an admin as of now. The role that she plays, right? So I think already I've added this. Create a project plan, create a shared.org domain email ID for Devi. Devi is Agastyan's wife. She was also active volunteer. You must have seen her ID in the transactions when I acknowledge it. Janani and Devi. She was active for a while before she went on for maternity. She is also a good sister of mine. Drupal CMS, we had a forum where Janani was actively working on with other friend called Aishwarya. Now that we stopped, there was you might have seen this forum ID in our transaction comments, where you wanted to make all the transactions to end with 1. Generally in Tamil we follow, right? Ending with 1 or 1001. It's a good culture for the sign of prosperity. If you are giving it amount ends with 1, it's a sign of prosperity.
Okay.
So for that also we mentioned in maintain. We used to maintain everything in Drupal CMS. I think we had an issue. We stopped that. Fund consolidation. You see here from August 2008. It's been there a golden source since a long time. We have fund consolidation. Right? Data entry for the contributions from August 2008 to May. See, you remember last week also when I was talking, I always told about May 2010. That is what is there registered in my mind. So this is because I was very sure from May 2010 I think we have migrated all the data. But last week when we were exploring the transaction sheet, we found out that from January 2010 onwards the data was captured. Maybe February, March there were only 4 or 5 entries if I'm not wrong. 2010 February and March. Whereas for January we saw 38 entries or so, right? 2010 Jan we had 38 entries. February, March and April somewhere around 4 or 5. But in May we had full data, right? So this is again, as usual, I would say keep the documentation like what I have done now. Documentation really does a lot of wonderful things, right? So I'll save this as well. Meeting minutes. Okay, fair enough. Graph generation for contributions. Apply a bank account in the name of the trust. It's all I meant to do that. Apply ADG certificate. This is also a long pending request from the people. Yes, I'm coming. Yeah. So, this is all general things. This is again for my own development when I was doing that, right? I created my own. See, this is how I used to track my task those days. General web application. I'll tell you about a lot. I don't want to take much of time. I had a plan to create a generic website as a platform. I think I'd have told you, right? Where shared is one entity. We wanted to host it for the rest of all such similar. Yes, as a platform, like Sevalaya. So this 27 November 2015, I have entered that. Create a separate DB user, non-root for MySQL, RBAC for modules and pages. That I think we are doing it now. Role-based access control. Earlier days, it was not there. Even if current day share.org.in, then nothing to log in. If you look at it, it's all open pages, nothing logging, right? No secured pages, etc. That's when I had captured this, right? Reporting with the charting, automated emails or contribution reminder. You see, to 2015, it's been there. My vision. I tell you, right? Dream. Start a dream. There's no cost, no cost associated for dreaming. Dream big. Agree, there was a delay. I should have done it long ago. It was not a big deal. I should have done it. Somehow, as I said, I was carried away with various other tasks, right? But still, as I told you last week, it's automated now. Definitely, I have done it in my own IntelliJ idea here. I have done it in a Spring Boot Java project, right? Still, of course, it is not yet in there as a cron job in GoDaddy. We will do it, but still, it's an off well crossed, right? Off the journey we have crossed, right? A classic example I would like to quote. I've told you some time ago. Dream. Put the initial seed of anything that you want to do, you want to achieve, and keep revising that thoughts. Somehow I feel that's my style of doing it. Somehow you keep doing it. Nurture, that fire. Nurture that, watering the plant. Keep doing it. See, this is a classic example, Sabrish. You see here. Somewhere, I have the consistency. It may reflect it somewhere, everywhere, or definitely some places. Whatever I speak. Like last week, I told about Janani's contribution. We happened to see it in Excel sheet, right? Where she was actively working on. You could see it in the feedback as well, what she was giving a comment. Also, a beautiful Excel sheet she had shared where we both were the only active users, of course. But our own conversations were recorded in Excel sheet, which if you look at it now, after almost, I think it was 2016 or 14, the year. After 7 years, now we are 2021. Still a new set of team we are all assembling now again. Like Kushbu, Kumar, Sabrish were not there in the picture back then, right? But even today, there's a recorded conversation helps us, including us, right? I don't know what I would have said. Of course, I know the crux. What exactly I have conveyed, right? That will help us because it's a state recorded fact. This is the documentation, power of documentation, right? Web fonts, so quite a few things like FAQ page. Maybe we will go through all that, right? Spam control, etc., etc. So this is best practices. What I want to do: security for enter application for its best. PHP PDO. This is all done. It was old, long back. It's done. I need to mark it as completion. Proper resolution. See, if I highlighted means end also. You see here, right? Something you see end, start and end. Here as well end. That means what? 23rd November I entered. 23rd November itself I finished it. Right? So I've crossed it. That means this is a completed task, not an open state. Right? Likewise, modules and features. CRUD for member, feedback, history. You see now, right? Member, feedback, history. Do you see that? CRUD. Bank accounts, we need to do that yet. Of course, it is still. But I put that vision on 2015. During back, of course, 2008 I started. Multiple versions it took. I first started doing it on Java because I'm a Java guy. But deploying the Java application was very costly. I still remember in 2008, per annum I paid 800 rupees for hosting for PHP. Whereas for Java, it costed 4,000 rupees. I don't know why Java is still open source, but the charge was very high, 5 times bigger. Those days, definitely it was very costly. We couldn't afford it. So I dropped the idea. I've actually started doing the application. Almost 30% I've completed in Java. Then I had to drop it because I found the difficulty of deploying the application in Java. Deploying difficult in the sense of challenges, overheads, right? Cost associated. So I didn't want to take it up. I dropped it. Then I switched to PHP. That's an ironical fact I'll tell you. I laughed at myself. During the initial days when I started learning Java in the industry, I myself had this crazy thought, hey, what is PHP? Who will on the earth will work on PHP, man? But if you look at it, PHP has become my secondary skill set. Though I'm not an expert, I can very well say I've been working in PHP since 2008 to a decent extent. I wouldn't call myself even as an intermediate, rather, maybe max. Certainly, I'm not a beginner, but certainly not an expert. I'm an intermediate, at least I can say, right? I know a decent extent of PHP mixed with, I took some web application courses as well in Udemy those days. HTML, CSS, all, because I was also a backend programmer during most of my career. Server-side programming was what I used to write max in Java, on Java. Servlets, EJBs, and all that, right? So I picked up a course. I became a bit better on my UI front-end skills, right? So that's how it was. So as I told you, this is what the application I had it, right? See here, email transactions. This is my IntelliJ idea where I have automated this. As I told you, here it is, right? This is all the properties. We have transaction reminder where I made the properties configured. Dear friends, reminder to contributions. This is where I run it. And this is the request. I hit it, it sends an email, right? It's automated. I don't do anything. I should have done this itself long time ago. I've been working on email automation even during those days when I was working for SBA during Java Mail. Somehow I didn't have a plan or inclination to do this for Shade. Now I made it semi-automated, halfway through it is there, but still not really good, I would say. Even for appeals, right? I'm still hard coding it. You see here, this is an appeal for appeal information, right? I'm hard coding this. I want to make it truly automated. I'm sure I'll do it at this second version of the Fire that we have, and I have. As I told you last 1 week, I've been working on, right? This is like a season, Sabrish, an episode. Season, like Money Heist, 4th season, then they took a gap. Likewise, I have also been taking breaks and gaps. Now I think I'm catching up again. So I'm sure I'm not going to let this fire die, right? So this is again, I'm hard coding it. I also test this. At first, I tested here. See my own personal ID. You look at it. All my Raghavan shade, you see that, right? That appeal 158 itself, how many times I've tested. See? Tested, I put it. 158. Maybe I've been tweaking some changes, but everything I'm testing. I put a different folder called email test, right? Or even contribution reminders. I have been doing this, right? It's halfway through, but we need to make it 100%, as I say, right? Where we make it 100%, truly automated is in terms of cron job, right? So that way. So real NextGen, what we will do it is actual NextGen with the latest tech stack. But beforehand, the primary purpose of making this session recorded as well, in case if I am not able to catch it because it's just a history, may not be really, making, we'll take some time to have it once again with the rest of all members like Kushbu and Janani. What I would do, I could, as usual, say, put it in my YouTube channel and then request them to take a look at their own convenience. Because this is a general history and this needs to be imbibed, injected in every other members, right? So two things. Before we really get into the actual development of NextGen, two things I want this to happen. One, people should understand, as I always say, before you work on development, you need to have the domain knowledge, the application, the domain that we do, right? The application, the domain knowledge. Also, I'm requesting you, letting you have the experience of exploring this application. That is when I'm sending a request in WhatsApp as well. Please explore. Maximum, I'm walking you through, right? So this is what I wanted. This task I've added, I had my own to do. I think I would have walked you through earlier as well. Easy to do this application. This is my own application. This is like a task management. I made it. Here it is, right? My own personal task management. I made it years ago, right? So you could do it for today. What are the tasks? I've not been actively using it. For this month, is there anything? Yes, there is one. Expense check balance should be improvised. So this is something I made it on for my own. Filter by severity, filter by status. How many are open? I think I should reset all filters. How many are critical? So out of critical, then I can filter it. What is how many open? Inside critical, open. How many work in progress? How many are on hold? Within critical, next level of filtering, right? And it shows the number of count as well. And you can add it. So click it. So what is that? I can say, I can even search here also. I would have made it. See here. Same thing. And name. Same. Idea is same, right? Person is the same. Be it my personal task or shade everywhere. So with respect to shade, right? Or NextGen. You see here how many tasks I've already added for NextGen, shade and NextGen. So these are although I think most of them I've already added when I was talking with Janani, right? So this is something like that. Simple to do as well. I made it. If you look at it, it's easy to do an extended version. Simple to do is a very simple version. I just made it quickly. This I'll tell you why I made this. This will not have history and all that. Search, enhance search, nothing. Just a simple task where I primarily wanted to add this here, right? Features, view all. I primarily wanted to add this because we wanted to track our own tasks, right? Not really stepping out of our portal, look at something called Jira or WhatsApp or anything. Instead, if you log in, let's assume I want to have something, let's say DB backup should be taken. You want to be reminded of, right? So this portal should help as and when you log in, right? Let's assume you log in at Sabarish. You log in here, my profile, member home itself, my task, things to do, here it should appear, my tasks. So whatever tasks that we assign to each other internally to our own teams, that should reflect it here. That's the whole idea of having a task model. Okay. So that is something I've added it. Appeals, this is almost good. Add an appeal, I think I have not done. Maybe there is an error. View all appeals, we have seen it. We have been actively using it. New, you filter, you get to see here, all that, right? Sorry, one more thing I forgot to tell you. I complete this. I've been hijacking my own. Member home, you go to profile, click on edit. She's a non-admin, right? She can edit her personal details, name, email ID, contact number, but not the admin details, right? It is not for admin team to activate, non-admin team to edit it. It's only for admin team. This is her personal details, company info, etc. These three are, this is obviously just a read-only display flags, right? Whereas if I log in with the Sabarish, who is a admin user, if I click on profile, edit, you see here, you can modify this as well, right? Let me update to Y. Say update, see profile is updated successfully. And you see here. So you can update it because you are being an admin member, right? Transaction, you have not yet contributed anything, that's why it comes, right? So I think if I log in with the Janani, Kumar, I think she has done quite a few. So we get to see the list of details, right? See those many appeals she has contributed. What date for each appeal, whatever she has contributed. And this is something I've added, I forgot to tell you, right? In the history, you can look at it. In the history, if you see, I've added this where it is. Added a link to the appeal details from the appeal summary on the member profile. So if you want to look at what is this appeal all about, 125. Last week when we looked at it, only appeal name was there. But we don't have a way to distinguish which appeal is being looked at because everything is turns blue. So I added this appeal ID and this appeal details. Directly you can go here to that appeal, 125, right? Of course, there is no back added yet for that appeal that I recently added. You could see here, right? 26th of April, I made these many changes on one day, right?
Oh.
Likewise, appeal, search appeal. Why? Maybe it is okay. Something is going wrong. Okay, I'll fix it. That's a good one. That's a good one. So nobody has tested it fully, including myself. If so, we would have got it, right? That's the reason I'm saying bug. Same thing for add appeal as well, right? What is the message we are getting? This is the message we are getting, right? So obviously, appeal search is broken now. Maybe I've done some refactoring on these methods, so it is not available. That's the reason. Otherwise, it will work. Not to worry, right? And add appeal, right? Appeals. I think same reason for add appeal as well. It is same message. Okay, fair enough. And this is the primary reason of recording this session is to walk through the features, what is available. So this way, see, if you look at it, is the best example, right? When I'm demonstrating, I get an opportunity. See, obviously, I was overlooking. I was focusing on one particular page. This is the best example of integration testing, right? As a developer, as of now, I'm playing a role of a developer. Of course, I am a BA, I'm an SME, I know the application, I know the domain. It's my baby, I always say, right? I know what all things should be in place, right? I keep documenting everything, right? So that's said, but I forgot to test all the links. So I did not get an opportunity to catch this bug. Obviously, as you know what I'm going to do. When I say Jira, I'll make a bug and then I'll fix it, right? So that said, this is edit and appeal will not directly come over here. Obviously, it will come. Delete and appeal as well is not made. Delete is yet to be, I think it is there, but nothing is coming. Edit and appeal will say no matching appeal ID because we don't make that way. Editing and appeal should come from here. You see new, click on it here, click edit, it takes you there. This is where you edit and appeal, right? Obviously, you make some changes. Of course,
then we can remove the option, right?
Yeah, but the edit appeal should come like, it's a different direction. First, you will be presented with a list of appeals, what is running. By selecting that, it will take you load to that page. That's why I have it. I still have it because directly, if you start with edit, you see what happens. You want to make an edit, right? What as of now, what you do? You click on appeals, click on view appeals. You say, what are you doing? Click on view appeals, then click on the status. You don't have a search here, right? Or you click on here, right? Search appeal that's broken now. You need to make multiple clicks. You get me, right? And then make a further click on that appeal. Then click on edit. How many clicks we have done now? Appeal, view all appeals, appeal status, appeal ID, edit. Five clicks, right? Rather, I want to make it here edit appeal. Directly, it will give you the drop-down box or search text, whatever, similar to this search what we have. You can search by appeal ID or appeal name, etc. Appeal status, we'll give it. That way, we will have an option to directly go to that appeal. That's my plan, right? So that's it. This is all with appeals. Beneficiary, I have not yet made. It's still open state. I'm planning to make it right away. Immediately, I'm going to make it. That's why if you look at it, here you see here. You see beneficiary create, beneficiary read, beneficiary update, right? Beneficiary delete. CRUD module, I've already added it. It's in this SBA. I created a new project called SBA. You see, shade BAU is one. Shade NextGen is actual NextGen. Shade BAE improved. SBA also I made it. So BAU is current production. This NextGen, whatever we have it will be applicable for NextGen. So whichever is, because those days this was the NextGen till last week. So whatever the task that is applicable to BAU, SBA improved, right? SBA, shade BAU improved, whatever has been marked for NextGen, we can take it here as well. I'll tell you the plan. I forget that. Until this next gen is real next gen is ready, this SBI shared BI improved, BAU improved will be the running production, right? Will be the active production until we are productionizing the actual next gen, right?
Okay.
What is the plan? Productionize until we roll out the next gen application, right? This SBI should be rolled out to all the public, right? What is the caveat? The old URLs might be broken, right? Mostly the appeal IDs. What are the appeals? What are the appeals, Sabrish? I'll tell you that. See, not here. Right? See, this is one appeal ID. Appeal details. Obviously, you get to see the appeal 156 if I type transaction info. There is a difference between these two URLs. What is that? Sabrish, can you make out? Can you make out?
What?
First and second.
It is different. View appeal detail and appeal transaction.
This is transaction info. This is details, right? So that's what I'm saying. Appeal ID 18. Okay. This you know very well, right? I think these are all the maximum URLs, right? This is for any appeal we can filter it, right? We can parameterize it, right?
Yeah.
This is for normal shared contributions. Like anybody, this is for triple S, what we have. This is for typical shared contributions, right? This is also like I had a different idea. Only last 3 years it will show you, I told you, right? And on the tooltip, it shows you the actual amount that is accumulated for that year. 2021 till date. So if we look at it, 2019, we had got 95,251 rupees for normal share. Generic shade appeals. 2020, we had got 1,21,326. 2021, we have still this date, 4 months, 66,000 we have got. This is for the month, what is the transactions are available for this month. 2021, obviously we are in May 30th today, right? It gets you the list of, here also it shows you the month-wise population breakup, right? January, February, how much has been accumulated. Likewise, this is for 2018, that is triple S appeal. You see the name here, triple S contribution for the period, April 2021. So we get to see this, right? So these are all the 4 URLs, but when you make it now, what should happen? Either we should have it with the SBI, but if you don't like SBI, what we should do, we will archive all these URLs, and then the SBI will be coming primarily, proactively, right? So all the URLs inside SBI. So what will happen? As on date, let's assume we have this URL. Say appeal view.php id equal to 156, for example, right? We have still not yet productionized, right? Productionized in the sense roll out to users. I'm not only saying productionizing means not only deploying to production, we are all testing, but we are still doing the sanity testing, right? When I say productionize means actual business context, rolling out to the public members, registered users, right? That's what I meant to say. After we roll out means that's what it is. It is actively used by the intended target audience. That's what I mean to say roll out. The URL should be what? Hope you are watching it, right? shade.org.in, appeal Make a note. Got it? So the SBI will be removed. That rest of all folders will come one level up. So that becomes active URL. What will happen to this previous appeal, etc., whatever we have it already in the current parent structure? Can I even tell you this here? Let's assume we go to SBI here, right? We have all these. This will come into the primary, right? Whereas, where is the shade? Okay, I can tell you. Shade protection, I can walk you through. Give me a quick minute. Not this.
Now can we stop here for after
Yes.
5 minutes?
Sure. This WinSCP, I'll just show you what is there in production. Right. So you see here public HTML. You see all the directories. One among them is SBI. We still have reports here. We still have appeal. Right. We still have beneficiary, etc., etc. These are all the currently running directories, URL, right? It will reflect to an URL. So I would say all these should be archived elsewhere as a sibling to SBI. And whatever is inside SBI, you also see here appeal, beneficiary, everything is there here as well. This will come up one level, right? So that way, that is when this will become an active URL as what I mentioned. Getting me?
Okay.
This to this. The SBI is missing. So we will pull up one level, all the directories. And etc. We will push it so that there will be siblings. We'll have only 2 folders. One is archive, and rest of them all the other regular directories, right? So this structure should take place, and these URLs should be redirected. They may be broken because inside appeal we don't have this page, view appeal details.php. I can tell you this here. Let's go here. See inside appeal, you see view details.php. Do you see the page here? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now when I say here inside SBI, I said this folder will be pulled one level up. This appeal should come up. So the appeal will be the same. But do we have the view appeal details.php page here inside this appeal? As I explained, this SBI will be taken off. So appeal will be appeal. That appeal will be moved to an archive. So you'll have only one appeal. That is this appeal. Do you have a page called view appeal details.php?
No.
Because this is modularized, well structured. What do you have it here? View.php.
View.php.
That's when I said that URL will be broken. This URL will not work, right? Similarly, you have it for inside this appeal itself. See view appeal transaction details.php.
Okay.
View appeal transaction info.php. We don't have this page inside that SBI appeal, right? So when we production, what happens to the appeal transactions? Where do we show? You know it very well, right? See if you look at it, where do we show that?
Search.
Go to appeals,
Search
go
appeal.
view all appeals, click on this, let's say new, click on this appeal. Here it comes transaction details. You don't have a direct URL to hit the transactions alone. Maybe we need to find out, we need to make, that's again a bug. Maybe I should make an entry because people might be interested in looking at direct hit. Why should they waste their time? Maybe we give some sections here, like something like, transactions, etc. Something like that, right? So that it directly opens this. Let's say, for example, right? That URL is broken. Will be broken when we productionize. Getting me?
Okay.
view transaction, appeal transaction info. Add a section. Okay, just an example. Make sense? I think that is all, Sabrish. Appeals we have done. Meeting, I added a meeting minutes, meeting entry. I also wanted to capture our meeting minutes, whatever we have been discussing, right? View the meeting minutes. I think it's not working. Maybe something is broken now. So all that, whatever we have been capturing that. And reports, just I added this 2020, what appeals we have got it. Last year, I said myself and Kushbu worked together where we have not automated, but she did it manually. That's what I presented that, in the page as well. In the actual shared URL, you see that. I think the reports section, you have that. I don't know whether it is coming now or not. So that's what it is. So yeah, that's it. The exploration of the application. Search, I've seen. Feedback, I've told you. History, I walked you through. You can add it as well. Add a version history information. But if you are not logged in, the history you cannot add. Only it will see view. You cannot add it. The history is only for members. Probably for the public, I made it. I think that that can also be what you call rolled back, right? But I can say where I have written a comment. Yeah, should be restricted. I'll make both of them at one shot, right? We don't need to show this history for others. Obviously, we can, if you want, we can do it. But why to? Not many people will be tech savvy, right? Savvy. This is internal to us. So if you log in, and let's say you logged into Kushbu. So if you log in, you have a history, you can add an option, add a version history information, you can add it. It's purely admin corner, right? I think feedback as well, feedback, anybody can add it, right? Share and view. Feedback you could see, share, and you can view the feedback. That is all about it. Because I was testing it today, right? So that's it. And you can log in and log out. When you log in and log out, nothing happens as such. Just log out, it happens. And this is something I've added, nothing, that's what she mentioned in a comment as well. Contact Facebook, Twitter. I just wanted to link it, then nothing happened. I just added as a placeholder. So that is all. And here I put a comment, most important version, right? Version 14.0, 29th April. Where is this version coming from? Version history, not history. Here, this version history I've newly added today. See whatever I've been working on, right? Feedback module, pre-filled guest in the name if no active user is logged in. I was telling you, right? In the feedback, share, it will fill guest. And I was showing you some validation as well, right? So if you try to submit it, it'll say, do you mind sharing your name than proceeding as a guest to have a meaningful connect with us? We'll know who is that, right? There's nothing wrong to share the name. Just some friendly suggestions we are giving it that way. So the history, if you look at it, here is a version 14, right? 29th of April, version 14, 29th of April. That's the build it is deployed. So the build what is running in production has got all these changes, right? That's what to indicate it. Okay. So I would request, of course, while I was demonstrating, I myself got 2-3 bugs. I've shown you, I've captured it here for our I'll get it reflected in Jira. I'll add it myself. But next meeting, whenever we have, I would request beforehand, I'll put it in YouTube as always, a recorded video. I'll request all the members to catch up because I've already covered that exploration part. Each application, each link I have clicked, I've demonstrated it. We have also captured what is broken. I'll fix it up as well. But I'll walk you through on this. This is a quick board I've created. Maybe we'll have a next session on this Jira board. As of now, what we work on, how do we want to take it about? Okay. Any questions, Sabrish? Sabrish?
No, I'm good, but I have to explore once again.
Please do that. Of course, we started the discussion with our backend based on our last week meet you are working on. You finish it up and then maybe we'll catch up again for this. Also, you said you're good that you're learning HTML, CSS, etc. It's good. You explore it, take a copy in a local machine. I'll also help you to set it up locally if you need. XAMPP, right? Apache, MySQL, and PHP. I'll say try to help you to set up your workspace locally, with which you can do your own R&D where you wanna beautify things, etc. As I said, this UI will definitely be modified, right? I'm working on a bootstrap now.
Okay.
I'll make it. Let's see. Obviously, if you're coming along, it will be wonderful for us to have you as an active contributor for the real next gen development, right? That will be on Bootstrap. Obviously, Angular with Bootstrap, we can do that. Okay. I'm not stopping you.
Okay.
I really appreciate that interest that you have. So you proceed further with your database migration as what we discussed last week meeting, right? That is what I think we discussed, right? Last week when this meeting, 24th April, we discussed this DB migration, whatever I wanted you to take it up, workflow, right? Historical tables and all that. You finish it off, and then we'll sit together for a review once, so that it becomes helpful. So the primary purpose of recording the session is to have a review whenever anybody needs it. Probably Kumar, Janani, they're not taking part now. Not Janani, Kushbu. Janani should be still better, but she may also be finding it useful because it's been a while she's off the track, right? So that's the reason. Anyways, we're going to discuss. So I'm capturing this way. At least till date, I didn't do it for any of my meetings, right? It's all just a meeting. That's all. No way to go back and rehearse what was spoken or discussed. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. How long we have been speaking? I don't know. Maybe more than an hour.
Yeah.
Certainly. Yeah. Okay, Sabrish. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
We'll catch up again. Maybe next meeting. I think tomorrow we should meet. If not by Sunday, without fail. Obviously, we have agreed to meet on 3 p.m. Saturday, 11 a.m. Sunday. I'll send a note on WhatsApp. Let's try to catch all of the people, because as I told you, see, right, I want the people actively getting involved. The gap should be reduced. So only then we will have a better product soon, as I said, right? This should be made soon, because this will take good amount of time. Until we productionize this new development, we have to develop, test, and then productionize it all. We need to settle ourselves, right? All that. Beforehand, I want you to get yourselves better in the domain that we do. Not a business in the sense, the domain with the shade, contributions, etc., what we speak, that we should be better at it. Only then we'll be effectively able to contribute to the actual development and testing of the next gen. And until then, this should be quickly make it, right? Should quickly make it 100% complete. For which I need the active participation from the team members without any gaps whatsoever it is. Okay? I'll share this as always. All right.
Okay.
Thanks, Sabrish. Good night.
Okay.
Catch up again. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Sure. Thank you. Bye.